Hi everyone, so I know this is like a random introduction. I actually filmed an intro to this video and it completely cut off, like it didn't work. My camera just crashed and I lost all the footage. So I thought I'd just quickly film the intro. I do want to quickly show you all something that I feel like we could all benefit from during the current situation. So I do have a glossy box right here that I just wanted to unbox quickly for you all because it's just a great little pick-me-up at the start of every month. Maybe you've got family that have got birthdays, you don't know what to get them, or maybe you're just looking for a little pick-me-up, something to cheer you up that's affordable and just a really nice little gift. So I thought I would just show you this. If you have watched my previous videos, you'll know that I love glossy box. I think the concept is great. A little pink box that shows up at your door at the start of every month. It would be so nice to actually just treat maybe someone you know, if someone's a key worker maybe, treat them to a glossy box, or just treat yourself, treat your mum or your nana or anyone who you love, and just cheer them up during this time. So the May glossy box has sold out, but I am going to show you the mystery box. So this is my mystery box and I've had a look inside and I absolutely love it. I do have a code that will get you some money off, so it'll get you 20% off. So instead of getting the box for £10, it'll be £8, but I will leave that below anyway so you don't forget. So this is what it looks like. My absolute favourite in this, and I was so shocked at it, is this Chloe perfume. I got this in the glossy box advent calendar. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. I think this is around £10 as well for this little sample, and the box is literally £8 on its own, so that's crazy. That is insane. I absolutely love it. So yeah, that is my favourite thing that I got in the mystery box this month. However, we have got this. It's a little Inuit brush. It's like a nice foundation brush to like apply product with. Very cute. There's an eyeshadow palette. Look at that. It's a Style London Velvet Touch palette. How beautiful is that? Look at all the shades in it. It's like a really nice pinky palette. Love that. I'm pretty sure these retail like £15 as well, which is crazy. The mystery boxes are always worth over £50 anyway, so you don't need to worry, it's always the same. And then we have a brightening and firming gold eye mask. That's exciting. I'll give that a go. And the last little mystery gift we've got is this cute little spray. I have sprayed this, it's so beautiful, but I'm gonna do it again. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I'm gonna be smelling nice forever now. So let your dreams blossom. That's like such a cute bottle as well. Look at that. So yeah, that is a fab box. I love the Chloe perfume, as I've said a million times. I will leave links below for you all. I just thought this would be a nice little pick-me-up because, like I say, it's obviously not an ideal situation that everybody is in. However, we've just got to stick to the rules, stay in lockdown for as long as it takes. But you know, a little £8 box of goodies is going to make it a little bit easier for you all. And it'll also be a really nice gift, you know, if your mum's a key worker, or you know, anybody you know is a key worker and you want to give them a gift but without having to see them, you could probably just put the address in the checkout bit and then let them know that it's on its way to them. Or if your nana, bless her, is all on her own and you can't see her, that would be so nice. Like my nana would love this. She'd love the perfume and she'd love like the pampering stuff. Or any family member that you can't see during lockdown. But yeah, anyway, I will get on with the video now, and I'm sorry about the really messy intro. I don't even know what happened with my camera. But all links will be below along with discount codes. But yeah, let's get into the get ready with me. So to start with, I'm going to tone my skin. I'm going to use a vitamin C Glow Tonic Brighten and Renew toner. It's got like a little pump on it. This is just me prepping my skin. This smells so good. Yes, I'm just toning my skin. It's a really fresh scent. I love it. All items I'm using, including the toner, will be linked below. But yeah, that's a really nice toner. It just refreshes your skin. Now onto moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm going to use is this Olay Beauty Fluid. I swear by this, I've used it forever. My mum actually gave me hers when I was about 13, 14. And I've always used it. I have the normal / dry combo, so I will link that below if you are interested. I did do a get ready with me type story on my Instagram, and someone actually bought this and they were like, oh my god, that is amazing, thank you so much. It's so cheap as well. Like it's literally like £6.99 I think, and it lasts like about a year. It's not oily or greasy, it just sits nicely on the skin and it dries quite fast as well. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime. I am going for more of a dewy look today, so I wanted to use this as my primer. I do use this nearly every day anyway, so let's gets my skin primed. That's so refreshing, I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow highlighter. Please do yourself a favour and buy this. It's amazing. This I actually got in a Bare Minerals glossy box, and I never knew about it till I actually got glossy box. So yeah, this is the Bare Minerals Bare Glow. It's like an illuminator. I've tried so many illuminators and this one just works the best for me because it goes on well with foundation. Like sometimes I put illuminators onto foundation, it's like chalk and you can't blend it, whereas if I put this on top of my foundation, it will blend it like a dream. Obviously, you know, you can't go out with it all like that, but like, look at the shine. Love it. You all know Milani is one of my favourite foundations. However, I have been so obsessed with this L'Oreal True Match at the moment. I use it in the shade Golden Beige. Like if you're wanting to go for like a dewy foundation look, oh my god, like these two together, perfect. But like this on its own is really dewy anyway, and it lasts so long throughout the day. I think this is my current favourite foundation just because it's really hot at the moment, so I'm going for like a less heavy makeup look and just having it quite light. But yeah, this is, oh my god, it's unreal. Like the coverage is insane. To say it's like that dewy, it's crazy. This foundation's drugstore too. Obviously I'm linking everything below as well, but oh my god, if you want like a nice dewy foundation that's full coverage, this is the one. Like I saw so many people going on about how good this was. I tried it a few years ago and I was like, I'm not sure. And now I'm just obsessed with it. Honestly though, today I've had such a bad day. Like I like to speak to you all, like my friends, like on my Instagram I talk to you all about your boy problems and just literally anything. Like I don't look at my subscribers as like fans, I look at them as friends. You know, if you ever like DM me about a problem or a situation, like I'm always there to help people. But yeah, today, like, oh my god, I went on my phone and I looked on like my YouTube studio, because that's where you see like, you know, your money and your subscribers and comments and stuff like that. I got some hate, and like it's weird because I'm not really like used to getting hate. Like I don't get a lot, like I get a little bit but I don't get loads. And this morning I don't know what got into me, but it just really bothered me. Like when I get hate, usually I don't care. Like I don't care one bit because I've had everything bad said to me. I got bullied for a long time, so nothing really gets to me. But I just think when you don't expect to get it, you just sort of took back a bit by it. So anyway, someone had put on my Pretty Little Thing video, honey, you're not a size 8. I was like, what? And like my legs look really fat in that video as well. But that just like got to me. Like I don't even know, that just really got to me. By the way, going in with this, it's a Maybelline anti-age eraser. It's better in the shade Warm Light or Light. But this one's in Ivory. I'm not going to use a lot because it does make me go really pale. But yeah, anyway, so like on my channel I'm like really open about like my insecurities, and like my biggest insecurity is like my body. And I know people are gonna be like, what? That's just something that I've always thought about myself. Like I don't like my legs or my waist. So recently I've just been trying to work out. I've been doing so many workouts, bum workouts, waist workouts, you know, and I've been really sticking to it. I've been doing it every day, and I've never ever in my life gone to the gym in like 2 days in a row, and like I've done it like 3 or 4 days in a row now. So I'm very proud of myself. So when I saw that, it just really set me back, and I was like, what? By the way, I'm going in with my Revolution stick now to cream contour. You all know this is my absolute holy grail. I've got 3 unopened ones in my drawer because if this ever discontinues, I will cry my eyes out. It's the best cream contour I've ever used, and it's only £5. Like what? So yeah, anyway, like I say, hate never ever gets to me. You could say anything, it just wouldn't bother me, but I think because I'm trying to better myself, it just really hurt me. I don't know, it really upset me, and I just started crying to my mum. And then like Tom come in and he was like hugging me. He's like, Luz, don't cry. Like people are just saying nasty things because, you know, they're insecure, and that is so true as well. Like, you know, I'm quite a confident person. Yeah, I've got insecurities, but I wouldn't say that I'm not confident. Like I'm happy in myself. There's just things that I would like to change, and I am changing. I'm putting the effort in to change them for myself, not for anyone else, because I think that it would just make me happier. I think after everything, like all the suicides, like especially Caroline Flack dying like what 3 months ago because of online like trolling and stuff, you would think people would stop. But then again, I suppose everyone's at home on lockdown, you know, the evil people are there on the keyboards writing away. I absolutely love this. Like it gives you that really sun-kissed glow. It's so dewy, and this is a foundation, which is what it is perfect. It's in the shade F13 if anyone is curious and wants to buy it. I will leave this below, you know, with all the other products This is a must-have, girls. Honestly, you need it. So now to set, I'm going to use my Mercier powder. This stuff is heavenly. It just glides on the skin so perfect. I love it. But from now on, I'm not even going to acknowledge hate comments. I'm not turning my comments off because that's not fair on the people that do leave nice ones, because I get, oh my god, literally 99% are all nice. 99% are all lovely people who are secure and confident in themselves. You know, people that comment nasty things are not happy. They're not in a happy place. Nothing would ever possess me to write a hate comment no matter what, unless someone's like abusing their dog. Then yeah, oh my god, I'll go to the house and kill him. But I've got an amazing family, an amazing boyfriend who just cheer me up like that. Like, I stopped crying within like 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna brush this off and it should leave like a nice little contour look. So now I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals bronzer. This is in the shade Warm. So I use a K Boston brush. These are amazing brushes. They've got an Instagram page if you do want to go by, but like honestly, yummy. This is a really nice subtle bronzer and it's got amazing reviews. So I just go around in circles and blend it on my cheekbone. Oh my god, there's a random dog outside. What's going on? What the hell? It's like a random chihuahua. Why do people do that? They leave dogs stray. Well, I guess that's been sorted out. I didn't know what to do. I was like, no, I'll have the dog if no one wants it. It was well cute. I would have literally got that dog. Like, if someone had come up to me like, do you want this dog? Yeah. It was such a cute little chihuahua. Oh my god. Back in with the bronzer. It just contours really nicely and lightly. It just sets like where you've like cream contoured, and then I just take a little bit on the side and I lightly go down the edges of my nose because I don't like to contour my nose. I feel like it makes my nose look a lot bigger. I'm gonna go in with my blusher. This is the Pixie by Petra blusher in the shade Beach Rose. Honestly, the best ever thing in the world. This is honestly such a good blush. It's definitely my favourite. Tap the excess off. I'm gonna smile and just dab it on my apples. I go really overboard with the blush, I know. Yeah, I put some on my forehead as well just to make it all look very natural, like I'm a blush queen. Now for highlight, this bad boy. It's been through 3 years of me now, and yeah, it's very out of date because it's 12 months, but it's fine. It still works like a treat. It's hit pan badly, it should really be thrown away, but there's still some left around the edges. So before I buy a new one, we're going to just use that. I'm not going to go crazy, so I'm going to put a tiny like little pearl on the end of my nose. I'm going to go up my nose. I hate going on my cheeks though. So I am a bit of a weirdo when I do my makeup. I do it in the weirdest order, so I'm not doing my brows, not doing my eyes, I want to do my lips. I always really just want to do my lips as soon as my base is done. I'm going to just quickly set it with my Urban Decay setting spray though. This works a treat and it lasts so long as well. So I'm gonna go in with MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. Let me zoom you in because I want you to see how good this actually is. Then I'm gonna go in with my favourite thing in the world. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. This is my little speeded up thing, but my tan looks so crusty on this. Didn't even realise until now, and it's awful. I'm very sorry I have to look at that. These are very soft and they don't dry your lips out. And then we're going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. How beautiful is this lip gloss? Honestly, I love it so much. I want 10. I love glossy lips. So that is the lips done. The best lip combo ever, and it's actually so affordable. The MAC lip liner is like 15 or 18 pounds. I got this like 3 months ago and it's like that big. Look, I use it like every single day. Like, this is honestly so good. And these two, to say that they're only small, they actually last a long time. This I've had since December. I use it on every makeup look and it's now May. Definitely recommend these. They're only like £5–6 pounds. So I'm not gonna go crazy on the eyes today. All I'm gonna do is use my Inglow eyeliner. I'm just gonna use like a tiny little brush. I've never ever used this in my life. I'm just gonna put the tiniest little line. It's literally just like that. Wow, that's worked very well. I wasn't expecting that. That's all I do on my eyes. I just do like a tiny bit of eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go in with my Lashtopia mascara by Bare Minerals. Again, thanks Glossybox. This I'm obsessed. Hands down the best mascara that I've ever used. I think I've said this in another video, but yeah, it's amazing. Just to blend my real lashes with the false lashes. So that is the lashes done. Whilst I wait for my lashes to get tacky, I then do my brows. So what I use for my eyebrows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony because my brows are quite dark. So I got this, right, about 3 years ago now. So yeah, it's probably out of date, but who uses a whole pomade in 6 months? Like, no, definitely not. Even if you used it every day, it still wouldn't go. So yeah, that is the amount I've got left. Like, I've got so much left of that. These are only £15 as well, and they last for like 4 years, so it's definitely worth the money. All I'm gonna do is just put like a tiny little bit on the end of the brush, and I'm just gonna go through the front of the brow, and then I just take a little bit on the tail of my brow, and that is all I do because I don't like them looking too thick. Like, I can't stand them looking thick and dark. So this is the finished look. The lashes are the ones that I sell on my Instagram, but I currently don't have any in stock because you all went crazy for them. But I think I might have to be selling them for another £1 more. So they'll be £9.99 now for UK postage, just because they have gone up on the wholesale. So yeah, I will be selling them for maybe £1 more when I do buy some more. But if you are interested in buying some in the future, do DM me because I would like to know rough numbers of people that would want to wear them. I have been wearing these for the past 3 weeks now. I think I need to take the glue off. You get that strand of glue, I need to take them off, but they actually last a long time. I'm going to bring you up closer so you can have a look at the finished makeup look. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay safe, everyone, and one lesson that I've learned today is to do not listen to any criticism anybody has to say. Don't listen to any hate, any nasty people, because you're better than that. But yeah, that is it for now, and I'll see you on my next video. Au revoir!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.